If ChatGPT isn't saving you time in real estate, it's not the tool's fault. It's how you're using it. I'm going to show you the 3 mistakes most agents make and exactly what to type instead. ChatGPT is the most used AI tool by realtors right now. But here's the problem. Most agents use it like a search engine. They type a quick question, get a generic answer, and think the tool is useless. It's not. The problem is never the tool. The problem is the input. And when you fix the input, everything changes. Mistake number 1. Vague prompts. Most agents type something like this. Write a listing description for a 3-bed house. And ChatGPT gives back something so generic it could be for any house in any city. Now watch what happens when you give it a real brief. The property specs, the city, who the ideal buyer is, the tone you want, the word count. Suddenly, the output sounds like it was written by a pro copywriter who knows your market. Rule number 1. Treat ChatGPT like a new copywriter. Give it the full brief. Mistake number 2. No context. Here's a common one. Write a follow-up email for a buyer who visited a property. Generic. Could be for anyone. Now compare that to a prompt where you tell it your name, your city, your client's name, the specific property they saw, the objection they raised, and what you need them to do next. The result is a real email you could send in 2 minutes. Rule number 2. Always tell ChatGPT who you are, where you work, and who you're talking to. By the way, if you want all 5 of these prompts ready to copy-paste, grab the free prompt pack in the description. Link is below. Takes 10 seconds. Mistake number 3. And this one catches almost everyone. One and done. They send a prompt, don't love the result, and give up. But ChatGPT isn't a vending machine. It's a conversation. The right move is to keep going. Prompt it. Read the result. Then ask it to improve one specific thing. Make it shorter. Make it more personal. Add some urgency. Each round gets better. By the 3rd or 4th message, you have something you'd actually send. Rule number 3. Never accept the first answer. Ask it to improve one thing at a time. Now here's what fixes all 3 mistakes in one go. The master template. You tell it your role, your market, your client profile, the task, the tone, the format, and the length. Every prompt you write starts here. When you use this structure, the quality of what you get back is completely different. Save this. It's the only ChatGPT template you need as a realtor. And I made a free PDF to go with it. The Realtors ChatGPT Prompt Pack. It has this master template, plus 5 copy-paste prompts for the things you face every week. Listing descriptions, follow-up emails, handling objections, social media posts, and market updates. Completely free. Link is in the description. If this helped, hit subscribe. I test AI tools for real estate agents every single week, and I want to know, which of these 3 mistakes were you making? Drop it in the comments below. The free ChatGPT Prompt Pack is in the description. Go grab it right now.